Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix IDM extension not showing in Google Chrome. So firstly, have to go to this PC, then go to this local disk C. Now go to this program files 860 and search for IDM Internet Download Manager. I have found this one. Double click on this and scroll down till you find IDMG CTCRX. This one IDMG CEXTCRX. I repeat, you have to find this one IDMG CEXT.CRX. You have to right click and copy this one and paste it to here. Okay, and you have to make this zip file. So click again and go to rename, and you have to delete CRX and write here zip. Click on yes, and it will be in the zip file. Now just create a folder here, new folder, continue. If it's not opening, you have to delete the previous one, and you can delete this one too. Now new folder. But if you cannot open a folder here, you have to go to that any place other than this and open a folder. The folder name should be IDM. Now you have to cut this thing here and paste it here. Now you have to extract the file into this folder. So you have to right click on this and go to window, extract files, and then you have to find this folder. So how you can find this folder? This one IDM, click on OK, and you can see the folder has been file has been extracted to this folder. Now you have to go to the browser and open extensions, manage extensions, and you have to click on this load out unpacked, and you have to go to the desired place where you have download this one IDM. Click on select folder, and you now just click on delete, and now you'll find this IDM integration module has been created here and it is visible here. Okay, so this is so simple guys. You can turn off the developer mode now, or if you want to turn on the developer mode, that's fine, no problem. Okay, so this is how basically you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.